Lighting, often known as illumination, is the intentional use of light to accomplish practical or artistic effects. Lighting includes the use of artificial light sources such as lamps and light fixtures, as well as the harnessing of natural light through techniques such as daylighting, which involves features such as windows, skylights, or light shelves. Daylighting, which uses natural daylight as the primary source of lighting in buildings during the day, provides energy savings as an alternative to artificial lighting, which accounts for a significant amount of a building's energy use. Proper lighting can improve task performance, improve a space's visual appeal, and provide good psychological impacts among its occupants. Indoor lighting is mostly implemented through the use of light fixtures and is an important aspect of interior design. Furthermore, lighting can be an essential component of landscaping designs. Campfires and torches were the first forms of artificial lighting used to illuminate places, dating back to the discovery of fire over 400,000 years ago. Prehistoric cultures made crude oil lamps from naturally occurring materials such as rocks, shells, horns, and stones. These lamps were grease-filled and had a fiber wick. Animal and vegetable fats were popular lamp fuels. Hundreds of these lights, sometimes made from hollowed stones, have been discovered in areas such as the Lascaux Caves in modern-day France, dating back around 15,000 years. Oily animals, like birds and fish, were also utilized as lighting sources after being fitted with wicks. Fireflies even served as a source of illumination. The evolution of lighting saw the invention of candles, glass, and pottery lamps, along with the emergence of chandeliers as an early form of light fixtures. The discovery of whale oil resulted in a significant decrease in lighting expenses. However, as Canadian scientist Abraham Gesner refined kerosene in the 1840s, enabling the creation of brighter light at a substantially lower cost, the use of whale oil declined. Due to a scarcity of suitable whales, the price of whale oil skyrocketed in the 1850s, more than doubling from 1848 to 1856, hastening the decline of whale oil consumption. By 1860, the United States had 33 kerosene facilities, and Americans spent more money on gas and kerosene than on whale oil. The discovery of crude oil in 1859 gave the fatal blow to whale oil, launching the petroleum industry. Gas lighting became economically viable in the early 1800s and was used to illuminate streetlights in large cities. It also found its way into some commercial buildings and the residences of affluent individuals. The introduction of the gas mantle significantly improved the luminosity of utility lighting and kerosene lanterns. Another substantial reduction in lighting costs occurred in the 1880s with the advent of electric lighting, first in the form of arc lights for large spaces and street lighting, followed by the widespread adoption of incandescent light bulbs for indoor and outdoor lighting. Electric illumination grew more common in industrialized countries over time. It resulted in the removal of segmented sleep patterns, the expansion of evening activities, and a reduction in urban crime rates due to enhanced street lighting. Lighting is categorized based on its intended use as ambient, task, accent, or decorative lighting, primarily determined by the way the light illuminates the objects. Ambient lighting, often known as general lighting, provides overall illumination for a space. Indoors, this could be as simple as a table or floor light, or as elaborate as a ceiling-mounted fixture. Outdoor ambient lighting, such as that seen in a parking lot, may be relatively low, as pedestrians and drivers used to low light levels require little additional illumination. Task lighting is primarily functional and typically provides the most concentrated lighting for activities such as reading or material inspection, which may require light levels of up to 1500 lux, 140-foot candles, or even higher for tasks like inspection or surgery. Accent lighting is a lighting method used to bring attention to specific items, locations, or architectural aspects in a space. It usually serves to draw attention to artwork, sculptures, plants, or other focal points, creating drama and elegance. Decorative lighting is an excellent option for boosting the aesthetic appeal and mood of a place. It adds character, individuality, and charm to a room while functioning as an artistic element in interior design.